Here we are in Henry's. I'm meeting David for some footage. He's got some super footage. This is all about collaboration. David!
Hi, Andy.
How are you? We meet again.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year as well. Let's hope it's going to be a really good New Year.
I hope it's a better year this year than it was for me last year. A dreadful year for me last year. That's gone. Think of the future, Andy.
Thanks for this footage.
That's fine. This is it.
New Year's Day. So you've got footage of the fireworks, did you say?
These are the fireworks at Cromer.
Yeah, and also the dip at Sheringham, isn't it?
Yep.
Going in now to meeting David at Henry's for some more film footage. Hi guys, always good to see you. Can we have 2 teas please, is that alright? It's an absolute pleasure
And here we come
to do the editing to this.
across the gap to Sheringham. We shall go to Sheringham Dip.
Have you? You've already cut it down for me.
I cut it down for you, Andreas.
That'll make the edit a lot easier. David is a top man.
I think we should be able to get it on there. So, yeah.
That's an 8 gig. What's going to happen is he'll put the footage on the USB stick.
Anybody got any last minute preparation? Right, here we go.
Thank you. Okay, guys. Give a little bit of a woohoo!
Well, we have the fireworks here. Here's Cromer Fire Brigade with Adrian Woods in the cab there, arriving there, providing safety cover for the fireworks. A lovely big breaker goes over the fire engine as they arrive from Cromer.
Great footage.
I think that's AD in the back seat in the cab there. So this is what Andreas will be editing later.
I'll try and do the job for us.